I'm Dr. Steve Tillem, and I'm a urologist at Optum. I think becoming a physician was always in the back of my mind, even though I wanted to consider other options, but there's really no other career like it. You can use critical thinking, it requires lifelong learning and problem solving, and what other job do you have where you get to help people all day long and build long-term relationships with them? I'm a urologist, and urology deals with the male genitourinary system and the female urinary system. And it covers a broad range of conditions from kidney stones and infections to urinary and sexual dysfunction to cancer. It allows me to have some patients that I treat and don't necessarily need to see again, but other patients I get to build a long-term relationship with them. And I have many patients that I've seen for three generations at this point. So I love working for a multi-specialty group. I really feel like it allows me to take better care of my patients. We're in a large urology group, and I get to work with some doctors that I've known since starting my residency 30 years ago. We are able to see emergencies right away. And likewise, with my other Optum colleagues, they're just a phone call or mouse click away. Best example I can give you was a patient who came to see me this past week with severe back pain, and they were begging for pain medication because they could not get into a pain management doctor for months. I was able to call my pain management colleague and get that person in to see the doctor immediately after my visit. Another example was for the past couple of weeks, I had a patient who came to me thinking they had a urologic emergency, and I quickly realized that he had poorly controlled and untreated diabetes. I was able to get him in to see a medical doctor that afternoon, and within 2 days he'd seen a medical doctor, an endocrinologist, an ophthalmologist, and a gastroenterologist. And we were able to get him taken care of very quickly and possibly avoid a hospital stay for him. I have two wonderful teenage daughters that I adore, and I try to spend as much time as possible with them. We enjoy biking, hiking, paddleboarding, and kayaking, and we like to go to museums and Broadway shows together. I'm Dr. Steve Tillem, and I'm a urologist at Optum.